Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 6 to the power of 6 plus 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 6 to the power of 6. Now, because all of these terms are the same, I'm actually just going to factor out 6 to the power of 6. So if I factor out 6 to the power of 6, I get 6 to the power of 6 times, now 6 to the power of 6 divided by 6 to the power of 6 is 1 plus same thing, 1 plus same thing once again, 1 plus 1 plus 1, finally plus 1. So now we have 6 to the power of 6 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now let's simplify what's in the parentheses. The sum of all these ones is 6. So now we have 6 to the power of 6 times 6. And whenever we're multiplying exponents, let's say we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n. All we do is we simply keep the base the same and we add the exponents. So this would be a to the power of n plus n. Now for 6 to the power of 6 times 6, well 6 is the same thing as 6 to the power of 1. So this is going to be 6, because we keep the base the same, to the power of 6 plus 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7, so this is equal to 6 to the power of 7. Now an easier way to do it is, instead of factoring out 6 to the power of 6 in the beginning, well, you can already see that there are 6 to the power of 6's, right? So that would just be 6 to the power of 6 times 6. And then 6 to the power of 6 times 6 to the power of 1, well, we already did this. This would be 6 to the power of 7. So that's just a faster way of doing it instead of factoring it and doing all of that. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 8 to the power of 8 divided by 4 to the power of 4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that both of these numbers or terms are the same base. So let's make both of these bases 2, because that is a common factor of these two numbers. So 8 is actually equal to 2 to the power of 3. And 4 is equal to 2 squared. So now I'm going to rewrite 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So this would be 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 8 over, 2 squared to the power of 4. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is actually equal to a to the power of m times n. So first off, we have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 8. This would be 2 to the power of 3 times 8. We have this over 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 4. This would be 2 to the power of 2 times 4. This is equal to, well, 2 to the power of 3 times 8. 3 times 8, 24. So we have 2 to the power of 24 over 2 to the power of 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 2 to the power of 8. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So in this case, we can think of 2 as 8, m as 24, and n as 8. So this would equal 2 to the power of 24 minus 8. And 24 minus 8 is 16. So this would be 2 to the power of 16. Now, 2 to the power of 4, as we all know, is equal to 16. So 2 to the power of 16 would simply be 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 4, right? So this would be 2 to the power of 16 would be 16 times 16 times 16 times 16. So sorry about that. So this would also equal 16 to the power of 4. So these two are same answers, but in different forms.